haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is the topic? Haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is the first chapter in part 2 book. So now let me see the what is haloalkane. What is that? Haloalkane. So the haloalkane is the if the halogen is directly attached to alkyl group. If the halogen is directly attached to alkyl group, then we can say haloalkane. So the halogen are the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, that are the halogens. Generally, we can represent with X. So the R is the alkyl group. R is the alkyl group. So alkyl group are the CH3, C2H5, C3H7, like that aliphatic groups. If halogen is attached to alkyl group, like aliphatic groups, CH3, C2H5, C3H7, then we can say haloalkanes. Now let me see the haloarene. Haloarene. If the halogen is directly attached to aryl group, if halogen is directly attached to aryl group is nothing but aromatic ring, like benzene ring. If halogen is directly attached to aromatic ring, then we can say haloarene. So this is also another example for haloarenes. This is also another example for haloarenes. So what are the haloalkanes and haloarenes? If halogen is directly attached to alkyl group like CH3, C2H5, C3H7, then we can say haloalkanes. If halogen is directly attached to aryl group, so like aromatic ring, like benzene ring, then we can say haloarenes. So that is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So now let me see the vinyl and allyl group. Vinyl and allyl. So vinyl, if the halogen is directly attached to double bond carbon, otherwise sp2 carbon. If the halogen is directly attached to double bonded carbon, otherwise sp2 hybridized carbon, then we can say vinyl. So next to allyl. If the halogen is attached to the sp3 carbon, which is directly attached to sp2 carbon. If the halogen is directly attached to sp3 carbon, which is directly attached to sp2 carbon, then we can say allyl. If the halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon, then we can say vinyl. If the halogen is attached to sp3 carbon, which is directly attached to sp2 carbon, then we can say allyl. So now let me see the what is sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon. So if carbon is directly attached to the 4 sigma bonds, means if carbon contains 4 sigma bonds and there is no pi bonds, then we can say sp3 hybridization. Next to, if the carbon contains 3 sigma bond, 1 pi bond, then we can say sp2 hybridization. If the carbon is contains 2 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds, then we can say sp hybridization. You have to remember this one. So अगर कार्बन को एक भी पाई बॉन्ड नहीं होने तो तब हाइब्रिडेशन होएगा sp3. अगर कार्बन को एक पाई बॉन्ड रहने तो तब होएगा sp2. अगर कार्बन को 2 पाई बॉन्ड्स रहने तो sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होएगा. सो इसका मीनिंग है, so between the two carbons only one bond is present. If the carbon is between the carbon atoms If only one bond is present, always that is sigma bond. Between the two carbon atoms, if two bonds are present, one is sigma bond, another one is the pi bond. Between the two carbons, if two bonds are present, one is sigma bond, another one is the pi bond. Between the two carbon atoms, if three bonds are present, between the two carbon atoms, if three bonds are present, one is the sigma bond, remaining two are the pi bonds, two pi bonds. So means between the two atoms or between the two carbon atoms, only one sigma bond is possible. Between the two carbon atoms, more than one sigma bond are not possible. So it means if between the two carbon atoms only one bond is present, means always sigma bond. So there is no pi bonds. Between the two carbon atoms, if two bonds are present or three bonds are present, only one is sigma bond, remaining all are the pi bonds. So इसका मीनिंग है, अगर तुमको sp3 हाइब्रिडेशन है, sp2 हाइब्रिडेशन कैसा होता है तुमको मालूम नहीं, तब डायरेक्टली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है। सो अगर हाइड्रोजन जो है अटैच्ड कार्बन में एक भी पाई बॉन्ड नहीं तब sp3 है। सो अगर हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड कार्बन में कार्बन का नेक्स्ट कार्बन में एक पाई बॉन्ड है तब sp2 हाइब्रिडेशन आएगा। तब ये वाला हम लोग अलाइल करके डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सो इसमें टोटल क्या रहेगा, 4 टाइप्स है, हैलो अल्केन्स, हैलो अरेन्स, विनाइल, अलाइल। सो फर्स्ट वन इज द हैलो अल्केन। If the halogen is directly attached to alkyl group like CS3, C2H5, C3H7, that is aliphatic group, then we can say haloalkane. If the halogen is attached to aryl group like aromatic ring, so then we can say aryl group. Aromatic, so that is the best example is the benzene ring. So here halogen is attached to directly benzene ring, then we are saying haloarene. So next to vinyl and allyl. If halogen is attached to double bond carbon, otherwise sp2 carbon, then we can say vinyl. Next to if halogen is attached to sp3 carbon, next carbon is sp2, so then we can say allyl. So next to if you want to identify the sp2 hybridization, sp3 and sp hybridization, then you have to remember this one. If there is no pi bonds on carbon, then we can say sp3. If one pi bond is present, so that is sp2. If two pi bonds are present, sp. So this we have to remember. Next to between the two carbon atoms, only one sigma bond is present, remaining all are the pi bonds.